Hello everybody and welcome to Browsing with Drea, where I basically review everyday products, beauty products, home products, just random products, honest and simple quick reviews. So I'm gonna try to make this quick. I like to say under 10 minutes, so I'm gonna get to it. I recently purchased a couple new beauty tools from a company you've probably seen on Instagram, LUX skin company, and IPL laser hair removal, along with two other tools that I'm not gonna get too much into in this video. A sonic dermablade, there you go, and a microdermabrasion kit. I'm glad I got to say that right. They're gonna be talking about the IPL laser hair removal. The IPL laser hair removal, it's not the same thing as laser hair removal that you would go to a salon or a esthetician or the people that do it, I guess. This is not as intense. You have to do it a little more frequently, or better yet, I should say a longer period. It's safe to use at home. It's not like where you go to the salon, you have to put on the glasses and all that. I'll get into that. But IPL laser hair removal, super cool. I've had it for about a week now. I've done 2 sessions, so I'm doing it every Thursday evening. I'm gonna talk about the process, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show it to you guys. There we go. Box, nice and sturdy, so it didn't get damaged on the way here. By the way, shipping with them, it did take a tad bit long. I would say about a little over 2 weeks. But I had seen the reviews, customer reviews. I had read about other people's experiences with their customer service. And real quickly, the reason why I chose Lux was 1, because of their customer service, and 2, because of their amazing price. I've seen these IPLs go from, you know, $60 to, I want to say like almost $200, $250. Same, like the exact same machine. But I had read that they do have excellent customer care service, and they've also had great reviews. So getting into it now, this is how it comes. These little papers are on the top. I put them to the side because I keep everything. But basically what you get, the instructions, which I'm gonna get into a little bit, tell you guys how to use it and whatnot, and a guarantee. Now there's another paper that I put under here. Oh, I had to break it up. Okay, so this little paper comes with the model number, who checked it out, the date. You can write all that information on this card, and this is kind of like your guarantee paper. You do get a 90-day guarantee and a lifetime warranty. So comes with a cord, power outlet. You do have to use it plugged in. It's not wireless. The cord is pretty long though, so you don't really have to worry about it. I mean, I can do it on my couch, I can do it in the bathroom, in the bedroom. It doesn't really matter. I don't mind it. As you can see, we have, I'm gonna plug it in a minute, but we have this is your power button. The light, the laser, where their laser come off. Right down here, when I turn it on, you'll see it indicates the levels. And then this is the button you press to like zap. Oh, and your cord outlet. So before we go way into that, real quick, some important things in the instructions. First of all, like I said, supposedly it's safe to use without any eye protection, but the zaps are really strong, so I would definitely recommend doing it in a well-lit area. Another thing, okay, so basically the instructions are shave the area you want to work on, and right after that go into your sessions. Right now I'm working on my lower leg area and my underarms area, and basically what I do Thursday, I come home, take a shower, shave those areas, and then right after that I put my robe on and I go do my laser, because usually what I'll do is I'll get out of the shower, I'll put some body oil or some body lotion. You don't put on anything, nothing. Skin should be clean, should be recently shaved, and you go right to it. It doesn't work on red, blonde, or gray hairs. So if you're trying to get rid of those, it's not gonna work. And also in the back of the instruction sheets, it kind of gives you an idea of the complexions it works with. It's not recommended for deeper complexions. This is on the website as well, so if you have any questions, like most of this information I also found on the website. You're supposed to be seeing results in about 8 weeks, complete results by 12 weeks if you do it once a week. If by 8 weeks you don't see results, or if you don't notice your hair growing back slower, you can start doing it 2 times a week. And after that, once you do see the results you like and you're satisfied, you can start doing it like once a month just to keep up. But like I said, so far I'm on my 2nd week. I haven't seen too many results. Just a little bit patchiness, I guess you would say. Like some areas it's growing a little faster than other areas, so I guess it depends on like the thickness of the hair. I have really thick dark hair, so I'm guessing it's gonna take me a while to see results, which I'm totally fine with. I mean, let me see, anything other than that I want to get into before. Oh, pain. Okay, so like I said, the levels go from 1 to 5. So my legs, my underarms, I've been doing it about at a 3, 4. Done laser hair removal. Laser hair removal definitely hurts a little bit more. It does irritate the skin a little bit more. This one, not really. It doesn't even leave me like red or anything. It depends on your pain tolerance. But like I said, what it basically feels like is just like something hot, like coming close to you. It doesn't even feel like stinging or zapping. I mean, but yeah, let's plug it in and show you guys. The green light starts flashing. That means it's plugged in, it's ready to go. And it says now on the instructions, just press it once and it starts going. As you can see, like I said, the levels, when you turn it on, it's automatically at a level 1. You can go ahead and go up as high as you want. That's a 5. Bring it back down. All right, let me get back to it. So like I was saying, let me flash forward real quick. The little red dot kind of stays still when it's not going to zap. When I put it like directly in contact with the skin, it starts flashing. And that's when it's ready to go, right? When there's nothing on, it'll stop, meaning it won't flash. That's what I feel like that little red light means. It doesn't specify on the instructions, it doesn't specify anywhere. And to turn it off, just hold it down, it's off. The green light, like I said, it's because it's plugged in, but it does make a little bit of a noise. I guess it's because it has some kind of cooling system in there. It does get a little hot. Depending on what area I'm working on, I do get like a little smell, like something's like burning. I guess it's like, you know, getting rid of the root of the hair. I could totally do a follow-up if you guys would like. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you guys want to know about these two, super good. I've also used them. I've used them once. I should do another facial tonight. So all 3 together came out at about $95, which is totally not bad, including my shipping. But yeah, that's all for now. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, quick, simple, and easy reviews, honest. So yeah, let me know if you guys want a follow-up.